Children will continue with volume of sphere and hemisphere, exercise 13.8. Okay. What was volume of sphere? Volume of sphere was 4 by 3 pi r cube and that of hemisphere was 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now our fourth question. Diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? A similar question we did when we were doing surface area of spheres. Diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. What fraction of volume of earth is the volume of moon? So there is a moon, there is a earth. The shape of moon and earth are spherical. Then clue given is diameter of the moon is 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Now you need to find what fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon. So you can find the ratio of volume of earth and volume of moon and then you can write the fraction. Let r be the radius of the moon. If r is the radius of the moon, then diameter of the moon will be twice the radius 2r. Also it is given in a question that diameter of the moon equals 1/4 the diameter of the earth. What was the diameter of the moon? 2r is equal to 1/4 into diameter of the earth. When you cross multiply, children, what will you get? 4 into 2r is equal to 8r is the diameter of the earth. If you know the diameter of the earth, radius of the earth will be 4r. So here if I write here moon, radius is r and diameter is 2r. If I take earth, diameter is equal to 8r and radius will be equal to 4r. Okay. Now we are going to find the ratio of the volumes. Ratio is equal to, we need to find the ratio of volume of earth to the volume of moon. So volume of earth by volume of moon. Spherical shape volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into. Now what is the radius of the earth? Children, look here. Radius of the earth is 4r. So we need to substitute 4r here. 4r the whole cube by what volume of the moon? 4 by 3 pi. What is the radius of the moon? R. R cube. We can cancel off 4 by 3 pi. 4 by 3 pi gets cancelled. 4r the whole cube. 64r cube by r cube. Then r cube and r cube get cancelled. You will get the answer as 64 by 1, which is equal to 64. That means volume of the earth by volume of the moon is equal to 64. We need to write the answer in the fraction form. That is what it is asked in the question. Therefore, volume of the moon, when I cross multiply, what will I get? volume of the moon into 64 equals volume of the earth. Therefore, volume of the moon equals 1 by 64 volume of the earth. So we need to find the ratio volume of the earth by volume of the moon. So after finding the ratio, we get the answer as 64 by 1. Volume of the earth by volume of moon is equal to 64. But in our question, we need to find volume of the earth is the volume of moon. Volume of earth to the moon we need to find. Therefore, volume of moon is equal to 1 by 64 volume of the earth. Next question. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. So there is a dome, it is in the shape of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per meter square, find inside surface area of the dome and the volume of the dome. Inside surface area of the dome. Children, dome, it is given that it's in the shape of a hemisphere. We need to find the surface area of the dome inside. CSA of the hemisphere you need to find. And then you need to find the volume of the hemisphere. And it is given that the total cost is 498.96. For 1 meter square, the cost is 2 rupees. You need to find the CSA and the volume. How will we do the problem? Just think, children. What was a formula and all that we learned? Total cost. Total cost of whitewashing or painting is equal to CSA into cost per meter square. Here, what is the total cost of whitewashing? 498.96 is equal to CSA. And what was cost per meter square? 2 rupees. Therefore, CSA is equal to 498.96 by 2. When you divide, you will get the answer as 249.48 meter square. So the first part is over. Inside the surface area of the dome, it is 249.48 meter square. Second subdivision, we need to find the volume. What is the volume of a hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. We need to find the radius. Then only we can find the volume. Now, what is the formula of CSA of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48. So, r square will be 249.48 by 2 pi. 2 into 22 by 7. After simplification, you will get r square as 39.69. Once you get r square, then you can find the value of r. Therefore, r is equal to square root of 39.69. With the help of long division, you can find the square root and it will be equal to 6.3 meter. Therefore, volume of the hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Always write the formula. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 whole cube. And you will get the answer as 523.9. Since it's a volume, unit will be meter cube. So whenever there is cost of painting, cost of tin plating, cost of whitewashing, always remember total cost is equal to CSA into cost per meter square. Here the total cost was given 498.96. Cost per meter square was given as 2 rupees. So when you divide, you will get the answer to be, how much did you get? 249.48 as the CSA. So the first part was over. Second part was to find the volume. In order to find the volume, we should have the radius of the hemisphere. To find the radius, we started with the formula of CSA of a hemisphere and we got the radius as 6.3 meter. And then we can find the volume by using the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 523.9 meter cube. All these calculations, children, you have to do it by yourself in the working column. If you don't practice, it will be difficult for you later. So please do it. Okay. We will move to the next problem. 27 iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere and the ratio of s and s dash. So 27 small spheres were melted to form a big sphere. Okay. Then the radius was r and surface area was s for those small spheres. The new big sphere surface area is s dash. We need to find the new big sphere's radius and the ratio of the surface area of small sphere and the big sphere. Is the concept clear? 27 small spheres. It was melted and it formed a big sphere. You need to find the radius of the big sphere and you need to find the ratio of the surface areas of S and S dash. So shall we start doing the problem? So I am going to write here small sphere. What all informations of small sphere are given? Radius of the small sphere is r. Surface area of the small sphere is S. Then children, what will be the surface area formula? 4 pi r square. And what will be the volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Alright. Now, how many such small spheres were there? 27. Therefore, volume of 27 spheres is equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 goes in 27, 9 times, 9 4s are 36 pi r cube. So, volume of 27 small spheres is equal to 36 pi r cube. So, this much things comes under the small sphere. Now, we will discuss the big sphere. Now, big sphere's radius we need to find. What is it? R dash. Surface area of the big sphere is given to be S dash. Therefore, surface area S dash, how can I write the formula? 4 by 3 pi, what is the radius? R dash cube. Surface area of the big sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r dash, sorry, 4 pi r dash square, and volume will be 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Okay. Then they have said 27 small spheres are melted to form a big sphere. So what can you say about their volume? Volume will be equal. Volume of the 27 spheres will be equal to volume of the big sphere. What is the volume of 27 spheres? 36 pi r cube is equal to, what will be the volume of the big sphere? 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Pi and pi gets cancelled. I am taking 4 by 3 to the other side. So 36 into 3 by 4 r cube is equal to r dash cube. 4 goes in 36 9 times. Nine threes are 27. So 27 r cube is equal to r dash cube. 27 r cube means 3r the whole cube is equal to r dash cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 27 r cube can be written as 3r the whole cube is equal to r dash cube. Taking the cube root on both the sides, 3r will be equal to r dash. So big sphere's new radius will be equal to 3r, 3 times the small sphere's radius. Now second subdivision. What was the second subdivision? Ratio of surface area S and the new surface area S dash. 4 pi r square by 4 pi r dash square. 4 pi and 4 pi gets cancelled. R square by, what is r dash now? 3r the whole square. R square by 9r square. R square and r square gets cancelled. So it will be 1 by 9. Since the question is to find the ratio, answer will be 1:9. So what all things did we do now, children? We found out the volume of 27 spheres is equal to volume of one big sphere. We substituted 36 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. After cancelling the common terms and all, we found out that 27 r cube is equal to r dash cube. 27 r cube is same as 3r the whole cube is equal to r dash cube. Taking the cube root on both the sides, power 3 gets cancelled. So r dash will be equal to 3r. This was our first subdivision to prove what is the radius of the new big sphere, that is 3r dash. Then we had to find, or we have to find ratio S by S dash. 4 pi r square by 4 pi r dash square, cancelling terms and all, we will get 1 by 9. Since they have asked for ratio, you need to write the final answer in the ratio format, which is equal to 1:9. Question number 6 and question number 10 are for homework. Please do your homework in the notebook. Thank you.